how do we help a plant that has already been frost damaged? And I know some of you guys have already got hit pretty hard. So a plant getting frost damage is not always a bad thing. If it doesn't kill you, it makes you stronger. So when I look at a plant, the best thing that you can do is assess, is this a rotter or is this a crunchy? So if the leaves are rotting, they're turning liquidy and gross, I'm going to remove the rotting, liquidy, and gross after a couple days because I don't want that to rot the rest of my plant. I don't want it to bring in bad insects or a bacterial infection to the plant. So if it's rotting, I'm going to remove. Now, if it's crunchy, I'm going to leave it. If they're like on bananas, I leave those crunchy leaves until like end of February, middle of March, even 1st of April, because those nasty crunchy leaves are insulating the rest of your plant. Now, here's where it's hard. I'm obsessive compulsive. I don't like things to look ugly. So honestly, who cares? You know what I mean? So let your plants be insulated. Just like us on cold days, we bundle up and we wrap ourselves up. Now, are we fashionable? Not really, but we're comfortable. Same thing with your plants. So on, a lot of those tropical trees, tropical cherries, Cattleya guavas, whatever, if the leaves get crunchy, leave it. It's insulating your plant. It's protecting your root system. Do nothing until springtime when it starts pushing new growth. So I would say, is it rotting or is it crunchy? I would remove the rot and I would leave the crunchy until new growth emerges.